So I'm sitting out here, and all of a sudden this huge flock of birds just comes to my apple tree. And I'm sitting out here and just enjoying the day off. And God sends these birds to remind me that He's still here. He still loves me, He still cares for me, regardless of my struggles. That if He provides for the birds of the air, that He can provide for my needs too. Thank you, God, for doing this. Just incredible. It's probably at least 10 or 12 birds in my tree right now. This is insane. Oh, I see what they're eating. They're eating the apples. Not sure what type of species this bird is, but this is pretty cool. Huh, I didn't know the birds ate apples. Learn something new every day about God's creation. And there they go.